Hey everybody, Ben Wheeler here with eXp Realty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sitting with Anna from Pillar Bank, and we're going to talk a little bit about a couple different loan programs that Pillar Bank specifically offers. Anna, I'll let you introduce yourself and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, hi. I'm Anna Meyer. I work at Pillar Bank. I'm located in our Balsam Lake branch. I also work out of our other Polk County offices, Amory and Clear Lake.
Perfect. You guys do all kinds of loans. First, like, conventional, FHA, WIA, all of them. But you also do land loans.
Yes.
So how do those work? Somebody wants to buy some recreational land, let's say a 20 to 40 acre parcel.
Sure.
With no improvements.
Yep. Yeah, so we do have the program for that. So basically with lot loans, land loans, whatever you want to call them, we do require a 35% down payment for unimproved land loans. So it is a little bit higher, land loan down payment. If there's any improvements though, it's 25% down.
Oh.
So if there's any improvement at all, if there's a driveway, if there's well and septic, anything like that, So
it doesn't have to be a huge improvement necessarily, but just any improvement to access the property or something on the property. Interesting.
Yep. Okay. Yep. So if it's easier for you to potentially turn it into a construction loan down the road, or, if you're using it for hunting, for example, and you never intend to do any improvements, that's when we'd be looking at the 35% down. But there are other improvements that we would look at and consider it improved, and then it would be 25% down.
What's the term on those, like a land loan?
Yeah, so in-house we do them at a 5-year term, and it's amortized over 15 years.
Okay.
Yep, so at the end of the 5-year term, we would just look to either refinance and renew it, or if it's not paid off at that point, we would work with you to see what we can do.
To extend it or do something.
Yep.
Okay. Rates on those are a little higher than mortgage, probably.
I honestly don't remember what they are currently.
Yeah,
but
they're up there. I know they're up there.
Yeah, so I mean they're relatively close to a mortgage loan, similar to a construction loan as well. But yeah, we could definitely talk specifics with that.
Yeah, rates fluctuate all the time, so it's kind of, and it really depends on credit and all that kind of stuff too. So that's a whole nother conversation to have. So also with land loans, do you guys do any sort of manufactured home loans, and how do those work?
Yes. So obviously if a manufactured home comes with the land, it's a mortgage loan.
Right.
But we also have a program for manufactured homes that are on leasehold property.
So like in the trailer park or mobile home park, like here in town or something?
Yeah, and we actually have a lot of them in Polk County. So that's one thing that we do differently. So basically at that point, it becomes a personal loan or a consumer loan. So similar to an auto loan. But we have the program for that is basically, it's a 5-year term again, but 15-year amortization, 20 or 30% down. It depends on the year.
Okay.
So for brand new trailers, it would be 20% down. For anything older, it would be a 30% down payment.
Okay.
And then basically we would just do something very similar to a mortgage loan where we would get you pre-approved to purchase, and that would be a consumer loan versus a mortgage loan.
Okay. Yeah. So it's really just your term is shorter, your down payment is a little different.
Yep.
Yeah. You can finance a manufactured home.
Absolutely.
Not connected to, or it's connected, but it doesn't carry with the land.
Yep.
So, or you can go to Pillar Bank and get a loan for land.
Absolutely.
So all kinds of options. So those land loans, does that have to have any different parcel sizes or anything, or it's just raw land is raw land?
Raw land is raw land.
So if it's a 1/4 acre or if it's 40 acres.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Interesting. What's the best way to get a hold of you?
I would say my direct line is 715-688-7208, or via email, which is a.meyer, MEYER, @pillar.bank.
Perfect. I will put some contact information below too. Thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.